Welcome to Simple or Not Kitchen. My name is Melissa and today we are making yummy mini pancake cereal. Pancake cereal is basically pancakes, but they're cooked tiny and they become a little bit crisp as they cook. And you can eat them either in milk or just smothered with fruit and syrup. There are lots of recipes for pancake cereal all over the internet. We're following a recipe for banana pancake cereal that we found on skinnytaste.com. It's also a sugar-free recipe. To make these yummy pancakes, we're just going to need some almond milk, flour, eggs, a banana, some vanilla, oil, and baking powder and salt. Then one by one, we're going to put everything into the blender, starting with our almond milk. And this particular recipe does not call for any sugar, but of course, if you like your pancakes on the sweet side, you could add some sugar or honey. Once everything is in the blender, we are going to turn on the machine and blend everything until it is nice and smooth. Once our pancake mixture is nice and smooth, we're going to pour the mixture into a bottle that has a lid with a small hole in it. If you don't have one of these, and we picked this one up at the dollar store, but if you don't have one of these, you could always reuse a mustard or a ketchup bottle that's been cleaned out, or a pastry bag, or also a plastic bag, like a Ziploc bag, that you just snip the little corner out of. This little bottle is going to make it easy for us to get uniform-sized tiny pancakes. We're just going to squirt little bits of the batter into a nice hot skillet. And these pancakes are small, so they only need to cook for about a minute or two on each side. And while this recipe is a fun and different way to eat pancakes, flipping each one of these tiny pancakes can get tedious, especially after the third or fourth batch. Because these pancakes are a bit smaller than a full-size pancake, they do crisp up a little bit more when you cook them. So some people do like to cover them with milk and eat them just as you would regular cereal. But we are going to put a little bit of fruit on our pancakes. We're going to add some bananas and some strawberry and some syrup and eat them like regular pancakes. And we're also going to add a few colorful sprinkles just to make them pretty. These pancakes were super easy to make and they were fun to eat, and it makes a fun, different kind of presentation for your regular pancakes. Thank you for watching Simple or Not Kitchen. For the recipe, article, and more video, go online to PenelCentral.com.